what are you guys making for your families tonight? Tonight I made some pasta with tomato basil sauce, onions, and garlic. I also cooked frozen spinach with minced garlic, onion, Cajun seasoning, pepper, olive oil. I also fried some chicken breast with Cajun seasoning, flour, pepper. Here are some of the ingredients that I used to achieve this delicious meal. Always remember to stir those good flavors together. I know some people just boil their pasta with some olive oil and put the sauce and the Parmesan cheese on top, but no, you want to stir those good flavors together. Then after you're stirring, after you stirred up those seasonings, you could just go ahead and add your pasta sauce. This here is the 4 cheese organic pasta sauce. Now you can go ahead and add your Parmesan cheese to coat the top. One thing I wanted to add is that you can use this natural Swiss cheese to put on top, and it can turn out to kind of be like a Parmesan and chicken pasta. Again, you always want to stir your flavors together. Stir those onions, stir up that garlic, that pepper for a nice flavor. I'll be also cooking this sourdough loaf. As you can see, it was only $3.49. I believe I got it at Mariano's, and I'll be adding some roasted garlic hummus to it as well. And this is how it looks once it's melted. Bon appetit. Ladies, when your man come home, you can greet him with some nice Hennessy on ice. There you go.
Man, some hen dog. Take this off for the camera. Let everybody know I ain't fronting with my do-rag. I got real waves.
Let's see those waves.
Yeah, see?
There's my handsome man.
Nice clean cut, so don't be having a do-rag on you ain't got waves.
So yeah, I just took the hummus toast out of the oven and everything is all set. You can light a candle. I believe this is mahogany teak wood, one of my favorites. So what do you think? Looks good? All right.
It's great.
On that note, ready to eat.